Sometimes there are no words, no images that can fully express what we hold deep within. And it's up to us to create something new, something unique to tell our stories. To me, this is the true magic of abstract art. Soulful Abstracts is a unique art journey where we will create one-of-a-kind paintings that radiate with soul. In the safe space of our beautiful online classroom, we are going to start by opening up, listening to the whispers, and giving ourselves permission to play. What if the studio or the kitchen table became a nurturing portal of inspiration where we can fill a whole workbook with our artsy experiments? What if the rules became tools that are only here to help us tell our stories? Our way. With a spirit of freedom and self-discovery, you will be able to unveil your own abstract language. The color palette that makes your heart sing. The meaningful marks and symbols that resonate so deep. And the textures that delight your fingers and just feel like home. Working in a series will allow you to anchor what you discover, gently expand your comfort zone, and get ready for the next step. The canvas will be our playground, where it's okay to get messy, dream bigger, create with intention, be vulnerable, and find a sense of connection. Together with a whole community of like-minded artists, I will be by your side every step of the way. And I have no doubt that the beauty you hold within is ready to take shape and be seen.